Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to add a cover page in Google Docs. Friends, if you want to add a cover page to your Google Docs document, then you simply need to open your Google Docs document, and in your Google Docs document you can import the image for the cover page. But before that you need to set its page margins. So to set the page margins you need to click on file and here click on page setup. In page setup you need to reduce the margins. You can take margins from 0.25 to 0.50. I go with 0.25 for top, bottom, left and right. After setting the required page margins, click on OK. Now you can also add a border to your page. So to add a border you need to click on insert and here click on tab, and under tab you need to click on one by one. Now you need to drag this column to the end of the page. Now after giving border you need to select all the four sides of the border and increase thickness. So to increase the thickness you need to click on border width and here I select 6 pt. You can also change the color. You can also change the style of the border, like you can select dashes, etc. I go with the straight line. So now you can insert the image. So to insert the image you need to click on insert and here you need to select the destination of the image, like you want to upload it from your computer or you want to search the image from web or your Google Drive. I upload the image from my computer. Now after importing the image you need to set the image as per your page width. So friends, like this you can play around and make a cover page in Google Docs. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.